Be a theory about what the number 4 might represent in Rwby. And thank you to Snow Days for helping me out with this. They helped me get a lot of information that I really needed and got me looking the right places. Now, I know the guys are probably thinking this is stupid, this is a crazy theory. What does a number have to do with anything? It's small, it's tiny. Well, even little tiny things in Rwby, big things. Rwby has taught us that even the smallest little thing can mean something big. Example of that, Rwby's eyes. Okay, they're silver, we don't think they have anything different. Okay, what does it really matter? It's just an eye color. But in Volume 3, we find out that because of having silver eyes, he has amazing power. And they gave us hints about co-semblance in Volume 3, Episode 2, when he was leaving the crowbar. That guy, not the glass down, it broke. We thought it was okay, small, we didn't think anything of it. But then we found out, okay, it could have something, it was a hint to his semblance. Which got me thinking, why is the only number that has really been seen in Rwby at all, even the only thing mentioned in Rwby is the number 4. So, with my friend, we got to looking up some information about what the number might stand for. And we found there's a lot of things that could stand for. So, don't worry, this isn't going to be that long a video. But, I'm going to start off with the 4 kingdoms and for me as in a team. The number 4, one of the meanings stands for, it stands for practicality. It says practical to use number 4, so that's probably why these 4 kingdoms, why they're 4 members in a team, because it's practical. And possibly with the maidens, but maybe not, because I'm going to get into that later. So this is probably okay. It's practical to do it. It's just easier, practical, so we're just going to do it that way. But now with the 4 maidens, though, the number 4 also stands for, also known to symbolize being dependable and being trustworthy. And seeing as how the maidens helped the wizard, and that helped the wizard with they helped him out greatly, and that's why he gave him their powers, because of how much they helped him, and he did that so they could help others easier and everything. I think maybe this 4 means because the 4 also represents being dependable and being trustworthy, and it could be for the same reason that there's 4 kingdoms. It's just practical. But I don't think that's the case. I don't think it's being practical with the case of the 4 relics. Maybe with the 4 maidens, possibly, but I don't think so with the relics, because my friend and I found out that the number 4 also represents the natural order of things. Now, seeing as the 2 from the legend of the 2 brothers that Crow told us in episode 8 of Volume 4, he said that it was the gods that made the relics. Or that's the way it seems. Seeing as they're gods, well, that makes sense they'd be 4 relics, because 4 also represents the natural order of things, how the universe works, and plus one relic is called creation, and then the other relic is called destruction, which I think also can be that it's for it's the natural order of things. So that's what I think. I'd really like to hear what you guys think. So reply in the comments and tell me what you think. So see you next time.